Hey guys, and welcome back to MothersBBQ. Today we're going to be firing up the grill dome once again and doing a bone-in pork roast with a orange chili glaze. Stick around. Alright, so what I got here is a 3.4 bone-in pork loin. I had the butcher go ahead and, prep this up for me. I'm going to hit it with some peanut oil. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my homemade rub. This is basically just sugar, some cinnamon, cayenne, chili powder, garlic, onion. You can use whatever you like. Alright, so I got my grill dome here about 275. I'm looking about 275, 300 degree range. Go get this on indirect heat. Get our probe in. I'm going to look for about 160, 165. I got some apple and some pecan in here. We'll go ahead and let this cook through. And while this is cooking up, let's go get our ChiliOrange Glaze going. Alright, to get started with our ChiliOrange Glaze here, what I got is 1 cup of chili sauce. Got about 4 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. I got 2 tablespoons of orange zest, which is basically equivalent to about 2 oranges zested, 2 medium oranges. I got about 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. And that's it. A very simple, easy glaze. Go ahead and get this warmed up, and then we'll start coating our pork roast with it. Alright, so we've probably got about another 30 minutes on this cook here, so I'm going to go ahead and start coating it with our chili and orange glaze. Alright guys, so our pork roast here is just about 160. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and let it rest for about 20 minutes or so. Alright, so here's our pork roast. Let's go ahead and get one of these sliced out. Nice. They're nicely done. Got a little smoke ring in there. Let's go ahead and get these plated up. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. Wow, really moist. You get that orange flavor, and you get a little heat from that chili. This is awesome. Got a little sweet potato mash here. Wow. Definitely a winner. You guys give this a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.